You had 500,000 kilowatts of stardust, a soft summer breeze, and you looked lovely in the moonlight, Kathy.
Now that you have the proper setting, can you say it?
I'll try. Life was a song. You came along. I laid awake the whole night through. If I but dared to think you cared, this is what I'd say to you. You were meant for me, and I was meant for you. Nature patterned you, and when she was done, you were all the sweet things rolled up in one. You're like a plaintive melody that never sets me free. But I'm content, the angels must have sent you, and they meant you just for me. But I'm content, the angels must have sent you, and they meant you just for me.